Hi guys, in Experiment Makes Sense. I just want to talk about this bad boy, okay? This is the Tritech T8 low cart. Okay, we've all been using the high carts for quite a while now. Fantastic machines. So why am I so excited about this bad boy? Firstly, it's got two lines, okay? We can run two hoses from this machine up to about a 19th thou tip. We only use 17s anyway, so it's not a problem for us. The main thing for me is the suction tube. The problem that I've always had with obviously the stem is the fact that when you're wheeling it back out of the paint and into water for when you're cleaning, it just gets a little bit messy, paint all over the floor. Yet using the T4s, T5s, obviously with the suction tube, I've always found just a cleaner environment. So this has got the best of everything. Obviously we've got the suction tube, plus we've got the carry handle, so we can put a 10-litre tub, wheel it around the job site. When it comes to clean, it's absolutely fantastic. Plus it goes over the top. And again, it's got a really nice cup here for obviously the suction tube and the dump hose. One of the other things that I really like is when you've finished, obviously pops down, it becomes a really compact little unit. Obviously it's got the carry handle in and out of the van really easy. It's an absolute fantastic machine. I've been waiting a little while for this. Can't wait to get using it. We're going to be using it in the academy and on site, so we'll get more videos and we'll show you what this bad boy can do.